Alright, so got a vintage Currier and Ives kerosene lamp. It has a pretty cool scene on it. Amish type scene. It's got a milk glass shade on it and a regular glass chimney. I got it for like 12 bucks. Picked it up near my work. I'm gonna take it apart, clean it, and put a new wick in it. Stands over a little foot tall. And it's pretty dirty. Eagle burner assembly, although you probably can't see that. It does have a wick in there, but it's got some leftover something or other. So we're going to clean that out. A little bit of alcohol. It's a pretty cool scene. It's the same thing on both sides. Pretty neat. So I got some denatured alcohol. I'm going to pour some in there. And hopefully it'll dissolve. I think that's paraffin oil in there. You can't mix kerosene and paraffin oil. So, see what happens. Three-quarter inch, which I think mine's a 3/4 inch wick. I don't know, we'll see. But we're gonna reload this and get the wick in there. Alright, so how you reload these? This is a 3/4 inch wick. You put the wick in. And that's it. And to get your old wick out, obviously you can just rotate it until it comes out. And there you go. The lamp is just re-wicked. Once it gets kerosene soaked on there, the action of it should smooth out a little bit. And the alcohol's doing something, but it's not doing it fast enough for me. You see it is turning color. So I might try to get in there with a paper towel and wipe it a little bit. Paper towel, no, it's all on that side. Alright. About a half an hour sloshing it around. You can see most of the junk that was sitting on the bottom of it is gone. It has turned the alcohol brown, but it's working. I didn't have to really scrape at it or anything. I just let it sit and just kept working it. You can see there's a dark spot down there still, but that's the only one that's left. Alright, we're good. That's the last little spot that's left. Right, let's keep sloshing it and get it all out. Alright, so you see we got it all cleaned out. Filled it with kerosene. Looks nice now. And then screw the top back on. And that's it. I'm going to let the wick do its capillary action and soak up the kerosene about a half an hour or so. And then we're going to fire it up, see what it looks like. Should be good. Can't wait to see it lit. And so here we are. Got the lamp. This is going to be the first fire. And then we'll see what happens. Let's go get the chimney and I'll put it together. Alright, chimney's on. Not bad for 12 bucks. Not bad at all. Cast off a nice glow. See my fireplace going too. I like it. $12.99 plus $2 for a wick. Actually, $2.49 for 3 wicks. See, it lights everything up, lights up the name of the lighter and all. I think it's awesome. Get to play around with it and get the settings where it's not producing smoke. It's about as high as it goes. Nice flame.